Good morning from the very edge of the Amazon rainforest, is what I said back then, but it was a terrible video because I was wrecked. The night before that, we had taken a 10.5-hour night bus from Quito, arrived in a place called Nueva Loja, where we were given some breakfast. After this, we were jumping on a bus and then a boat into the heart of the Amazon rainforest. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you. A green anaconda, yeah? Yeah. Nice. Oh, the form. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. And here we are. This is going to be my bed, and Sarah's here. This is more like a double bed, so we might just share this bed, we'll see. And there are two other beds here, which I don't think anybody has claimed thus far. Out here we have a little balcony or chill out space, and then in there is a bathroom. When we arrived here, we had lunch. It was some sort of fish, not filleted. It was the first time I've ever eaten a fish with like basically the full fish on the plate. It is now 14:54. We have an activity planned for 4:30, which I'll tell you about then. Then has arrived, and the activity we're doing is a visit to a local lagoon. We're going to get the boat, travel very slowly up the river, see if we can see any more animals, and then swim in the lagoon for sunset.
Uno, dos, tres.
Good morning. We are fresh from a lovely sleep in this bed last night. Now we are about to head to a local town, and we're going to watch some of the locals make, what was it called again?
Okay.
Yes or no? Oh yeah. No?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Something. Yeah, it bit me.
Really?
Yeah, it did. Yeah. It wasn't that bad.
Are you Ant-Man yet?
I'm Ant-Man.
You might be able to hear that it's absolutely lashing outside, but that doesn't worry us right now. We're inside dry and starting the process of making yuca bread. How was that for you?
You know, I feel like a seasoned pro now.
Looks good.
I think he could be making a poo-poo.
Yeah, okay, yeah, why not? Yeah, that hurts. Oh.
It's sore.
Yeah, it's like,
Is it thorny?
yeah. Oh.
The witch doctor did the same thing to me afterwards on my back.
Oh. Lift your shirt.
Just a random poisonous snake in the hut with us for the whole time.
Featherlands.
Featherland snake.
Yeah, look at that. Beautiful, no?
Can you survive if you get bitten or hospital?
I can survive. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes, look at that. Yes.
I've had a little bit of food, I've had a little bit of a sleep, and now we're out for this evening's activity, which is going to be coffee making and chocolate making here in the lodge.
This is Lando Norris.
Yeah.
Before the race, had some coffee from Amazon. Some hot chocolate.
Is it nice?
It's delicious. It's quite sweet.
Nice.
Quite sweet. I think I put too much in. Lando Norris said, before every race, I help myself to a glass of Amazonian hot chocolate. You
Wow.
should too.
And now that we've sampled the local coffee and the local hot chocolate, we are going on another night walk. Say something witty.
I love spiders.
There's nothing witty to say at this moment.
Will it end?
Somebody in our group slept in this hammock last night. Wasn't Jake? But we are fairly deep into the jungle here. That is ballsy stuff. What is that, Sarah?
I think it's a cricket or a langost or something.
Oh, you've got
Ah, you
It is our final day in the jungle today, and we are up at 5:40. We are heading for the boat, and we are going to be paddling the boat for about an hour out and then an hour back. I think we might be bird watching when we get to the place, like the farthest point out. But yeah, a bit of a baptism of fire, especially when we had a few drinks last night. I think we stayed up till about 12:30, 1 o'clock. The instruments.
Yeah, we're doing all the hard work back here. Mein Enkelbruder ist langsam.
Literally just off the boat, and it starts lashing rain. Oh my god, we're so lucky. I'm definitely going to need another witch doctor after those back-breaking jumps into the water. But now it's time to pack, grab a last bit of breakfast with the group, and then head on the boat back to the bridge, and then finally back to Quito. We've got about an 11-hour journey ahead of us, so I will see you in the next one. Today we start the 2-day process of heading towards the Galapagos Islands.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you.
ham and cheese.
$7.40.
I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you.